This is a painting on canvas. As you can see, it is canvas. The artist is, let me see if I can get it here. It looked like it said Patty Hyde. And according to the person that brought it in, the painter's name is The Buck Stops Here. So it had neon, as you can see here also. There's one piece there and then another piece over here. So it broke. I'm not going to repair the same one. I just I'm going to make a new one. And these are parts of the broken one. So I made a pattern based on what the person told me. And on this side, this little piece. So I made a new one. And here it is. And now I'm going to install it on the canvas. For that, I'm going to turn it around so I can work on it. We see it better. There you go. So this thing goes like this. One end here, and the other one end here. Hopefully it'll go in with no problems. There you are. So the new one got in the holes. And now I'm going to turn it over so I can work on it. This is the back part. As you can see, the wires that they used, not very good job. So I'm going to, I'm just going to change the wires, the high voltage wires, to better voltage wires. So I just attached to the high voltage output these two wires that are specially made for high voltage. Now I'm going to solder them so they don't come loose. That's one. Now the other one. Now I'm going to cover that the connections so they don't touch anything with glass, with some pieces of glass. One there, and another one on the other side. That way they're insulated. And then I just cover them with black insulated tape. Make sure I put some outside the glass so the glass doesn't slip out. Now the low voltage. They have this this thing here, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to put another wire nut there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the wires so they're not just hanging there. That's good enough for the low voltage. Now the high voltage. I'm going to run it through. Well, first one, I'm going to put one here. And then another one here. And finally to the electrode. Same on the other side. Now I'm going to put some boots. So there it is. This is the wire that connects to the outlet. One UTO wire running through here to this electrode, and another wire running to this electrode with their proper boots installed. So the neon cannot go all, solid, you could say solid over it. It's not going to fall down. It has to have a certain movement to it, like this, because of the canvas. The canvas is not solid. So now I'm going to test it. Now I'm going to turn it around and test it. And that's it. There it is. The buck stops here.